Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a quick review on Stitch Fix. First item is this hot top snake print, and this isn't the type of top that I would buy for myself, but it does look really cute when it's tucked in, and it also has a button at the back as well. The second item is this button down top, and it's kind of see-through and thin, but it's not too bad, and it does have a little tie at the bottom as well. So this top is my absolute favorite. It's probably the only one that I actually really like. It has some buttons on the front, and it has that like 70s vibe that I was totally going for. And these shorts, I wasn't really loving it, but I do love the details on the front where the buttons are, and also the hem too as well. And for the skirt is probably my favorite. This skirt is from Free People, and it's like super cute. So I think the only items I really loved in my fix this time is the striped top and the white skirt. Everything else was cute, but it's not really my style. But this fix was a lot better than my first one. But it could be because I made a new request before I received my fix. Because there's an option, and you could make a little note to your stylist on what you prefer. And I was a little more specific, and it could have been also because I did request a new stylist.